All right, this is Bill Kemp, also known as the home exterior guru of Kemp Windows and Siding, and we're out getting ready to completely redo this home. We're going to do new roof, new siding, and we're in the process of building a new porch and deck. This is going to turn out to be a fantastic job, and I will keep you guys posted so you can see the progress as we go along. When you see the back of the home, we're going to be redoing the roof as well on the garage. So this home is going to get a total new facelift. Garage roof, house roof, siding. We did the windows about 7 years ago, and they still look good. And we're just going to make this home look totally brand new. Okay, this is Bill Kemp with Kemp Windows and Siding. We just completed this job. I'm going to take a quick walk around. You saw the before, how this porch was breaking down. So we've actually expanded the porch and gave her a brand new deck. All new siding, roofing, trim, and gutters and downspouts. All completed. Beautiful new deck. Nice wide steps. New roof. House looks brand new. And we also did the roof on the garage.